Hello and welcome to Inside Science. Let's start with the first issue, that is Etalin Hydroelectric project. Before that, we'll discuss which one is the largest hydroelectric project in India. That is Koyna Hydroelectric project, which is located in Maharashtra in Koyna River. So which one is the largest hydroelectric project in Asia or world? That is Three Gorges hydroelectric project, which is located in Yangtze River of China. So let's discuss about this Etalin hydroelectric project. So this is a 3097 megawatt hydroelectric project in Arunachal Pradesh, and it is based on the river Dibang. There are two rivers, Dibang and Dihang. You can get a confusion. Always remember Etalin hydroelectric project in Dibang river, and which is a tributary of Brahmaputra river, which flows through the states of Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. It envisages construction of two dams over the tributaries of Dibang. One is Dir and another is Tangon. The project falls under the richest biogeographical province of the Himalayan zone and would be located at the junction of the Palearctic, Indo-Chinese and Indo-Malayan biogeographic regions. So what is the significance of this hydroelectric project? The project is in accordance with the government's push to establish prior user rights on rivers that originate in China and an effort to fast-track projects in the Northeast. So let's discuss about what is this prior user rights. Prior user right is the right of a third party. Remember, the third party is important to continue the use of an invention where that use began before a patent application was filed for the same invention. These prior user rights are provided by the different national legislations, and such provisions in national legislation only have national effect. So that is it. So this what is the significance of this? We're continuing. It is expected to be one of the biggest hydropower project in India in terms of installed capacity. This the keyword is important. The biogeographic zones are the large distinctive units of similar ecology, biome representation, community and species. Example, the Himalaya, the Western Ghats. So let's move to the next issue, that is Lokpal and Lokayukta. So recently a new logo and new motto were launched. For Lokpal, the Apex Anti-Corruption Ombudsman in India. So what is the logo we'll discuss, and after that we'll discuss the motto. Guys, actually the Lokpal and Lokayukta are very important. In Polity Lakshmikant it is very well mentioned. And remember who is the chairperson of the recent Lokpal is Pinaki Chandra Ghosh. In 1963, under Dr. L.M. Singhvi, this is important, L.M. Singhvi, this Lokpal was constituted, and in comment box mention from which country we borrowed the concept of Lokpal. I am giving a hint, it is located in Europe. Okay, so the logo, it includes the shapes of the ombudsman, that is judges bench, three judges are there, the people, three human figures, and vigilance and Ashoka Chakra forming an eye. This is it. The law, a shape of a book, this is this law, and the judicial true tricolor hands placed below forming a unique balance. This one. It is designed by Prashant Mishra, a resident of Prayagraj, UP. The motto, what is the motto? Motto is Ma Gridaha Kasyasya Dhanam. Arthat, do not be greedy for anyone's wealth. Lokpal has decided its motto or slogan based on their own inputs and discussions. So let's discuss in details about the Lokpal and Lokayukta. The Lokpal and Lokayukta Act 2013 provided for the establishment of Lokpal for the Union and Lokayukta for the states. In comment box mention which states of India implemented first Lokayukta. These institutions are statutory bodies without any constitutional status. They perform the function of an ombudsman and inquire into allegations and corruption against certain public functionaries and for related matters. In India, the concept of a constitutional ombudsman was first proposed by then Law Minister Ashok Kumar Sen in Parliament in the early 1960s. The term Lokpal and Lokayukta were coined by Dr. L.M. Singhvi, already we have mentioned. The bill was passed in 2013 after Anna Hazare protest in both the House of Parliament and came into force on 16th January 2014. A question asked in 2013 in mains, a national Lokpal, however strong it may be, cannot resolve the problems of immortality in public affairs discussed. So the next issue is Atapaka bird sanctuary. So this bird sanctuary at Kolleru Lake it is located and has become a safe breeding ground for two migratory species, namely grey pelicans and painted storks. In comment box mention what is the IUCN status of grey pelicans and painted storks. The present water level in Kolleru Lake, including Atapaka Sanctuary, is posing a slight challenge for the birds to hunt their prey in the deep waters. Grey pelican and painted stork both are near threatened species under IUCN Red List threatened species. Already what I asked, they have already mentioned here. I forgot to mention. So the next issue is Kolleru Lake. So before that, we'll have some insight on other lakes in India. Which is the largest lake in India? That is Chilika Lake, which is located in Odisha. If they are asking which is the largest brackish water lake in India, that is also Chilika. And if they are asking which is the largest freshwater lake, that is Ullar Lake. Ullar, WULAR, Ullar Lake, which is located in Jammu and Kashmir. It is the largest freshwater lake. And it is the highest lake in terms of altitude, that is Cholamu Lake, CHOLAMOO, Cholamu Lake, or also known as Jo Lamho Lake, which is located in Sikkim of India. So which is the largest inland lake in India? Mention in comment box. So already in previous lecture we have covered that largest inland lake in India. So remember, Kolleru Lake is located between the deltas of Krishna and Godavari rivers in Andhra Pradesh. It is an important habitat for an estimated 20 million residents and migratory birds like grey and spotted billed pelicans. It was notified as a wildlife sanctuary in 1999 under India's Wildlife Protection Act 1972. It was declared wetland of international importance in 2002 under Ramsar Convention. So these are the Ramsar sites. Have a look on this. These are the 15 Ramsar sites, and these are 5 Ramsar sites which are located in South India. And Kolleru Lake, this is Kolleru Lake, and these are the 6 important Ramsar sites. This is 15, this is 5, this is 6, already 26 total in India located. Have a look on this in details. So the next issue is Saakshar Bharat. This female literacy rate in Telangana's Sangareddy district has increased drastically by the district administration's help and support. This India's female literacy rate is 65.46%. The district administration developed Amaku Aksar Mala, that is alphabet garland for mother, and involved students in classes 7 to 10. They were asked to reach their mothers, mostly members of the self-help groups and non-literate, to read and write Telugu alphabets at home. This was done to assist the Saakshar Bharat mission SBM as it faced a shortage of coordinators. So in detail, Saakshar Bharat, it was formulated in 2009 with the objective of achieving 80% literacy level at the national level by focusing on adult women literacy. It seeks to create awareness of social disparities and a person's deprivation on the means for its amelioration and general well-being. The principal target of the program is to impart functional literacy to 70 million non-literate adults in the age group of 15 years and beyond. It is a centrally sponsored scheme. The Saakshar Bharat is a centrally sponsored scheme. What is the difference between centrally sponsored and centrally sector scheme? The central sector scheme is 100% funded by central government, and while the centrally sponsored scheme are both funded by both state and central government. So let's discuss about Secretagogin. and it is a protein. Okay, so let's understand what is this secretagogin and insulin. What is the role of insulin? Actually, carbohydrates are being assimilated in the cells of human body. So insulin provides the kick and act like a gateway to this percolate this carbohydrates in body. So when the insulin is less in the body, that will create diabetes in body. So scientists have recently demonstrated the role of a protein that is named as secretagogin, that is SCGN, in increasing insulin action in obesity induced diabetes, and it is a good news. SCGN is now established as a functional insulin binding protein with a therapeutic potential against diabetes. SCGN binds to insulin and protects it from various stresses, increase stability and adds to its action. SCGN is found in lower quantities in the brains of Alzheimer's patients. Let's discuss the questions of prelims which were asked since 2018 prelim. And in which of the following state is Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary is located? Options are Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya and Nagaland. So the right answer is actually Arunachal Pradesh, because let's discuss something about Pakhui Wildlife Sanctuary, and it is also known as Pakke Tiger Reserve, and it lies between the river Kameng and Pakke. So and also the Hornbill is located. Hornbill is in bird in Arunachal Pradesh, famous bird, and actually a Hornbill festival also celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh regarding that bird also. And a photo was recently was viral in social media. Modi was wearing that Hornbill hat, and you can watch on that. So let's discuss the next prelim question which is asked in prelims 2015. The area known as Golan Heights sometimes appears in the news in the context of the events related to. Options are Central Asia, Middle East, Southeast Asia, Central Africa. The right answer is Middle East. Actually, guys, remember this all Central Asia, Middle East, Southeast Asia, and Central Africa. These are very important. Also, and another region is WANA region, that is West Asia and North Africa region. That is very important. And have a look on those countries, their territories, the related seas, lakes, etc. So thank you guys. Have a nice day.